Hello students, welcome to science class. Today we are going to learn types of beaks. We have already studied some birds and their beaks. Next we are going to learn a woodpecker. Woodpecker have strong and heavy beak, and it helps to make holes in the trunks to catch insects for its food. You can see in this picture a woodpecker is making the holes, and they are finding their food. Small food are there, small insects are there in the wood, and that they are taking. Okay. Next is swallow. Swallow has broad beak. Okay. Their mouth is very sticky inside. Okay, inside the mouth is sticky. They move through the air. That time when they open the beaks, tiny insects go inside the mouth. Okay, then they get food. Next is kingfisher. All of you listen, and beak, all of you listen, broad, long and pointed beak. And these beaks help them to catch fish from the water bodies. Okay, they eat the small fishes, and these beaks help them to catch the fishes from the water bodies. Okay. The last type is long, thin and pointed beak. You can see in this picture a sunbird picture, and sunbird is taking the nectar from flowers. Nectar means a sweet substances produced in the flowers. Okay, all of you listen. Sunbird, and you learn all these beaks name. Okay.